Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or find saved posts on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is first navigate over to your profile page. And if you're unsure how to do that, just select the little profile icon in the bottom right corner of the Instagram app right here. And that'll take you to your profile page settings. And then once you're here, you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. Underneath where it says how you use Instagram, there's going to be something that says saved. Go ahead and select that. And it'll tell you any items that are saved in here. Generally speaking, you cannot see other people's saved posts, at least as far as I am aware. And if you are curious if you are able to see other people's saved posts, the answer is no. It's a private feature and it's only visible to the users who saved them. So just want to point that out there in case you guys were curious. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.